Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to winterize my hot tub. Okay guys, there's going to be a few things you're going to need to do this job. You're going to need a wet dry vac, and you want to make sure you get all your filters and any bags you have in there, any of that stuff out, because you're going to use it in wet mode. I'm going to use my oil filter pliers to disconnect my plumbing from my pump and my control unit. And I'm going to use some of this RV Marine antifreeze. It's a non-toxic antifreeze that we can put in here and winterize the hot tub so water won't stay in the pipes and freeze over the winter and crack the pipes. Okay guys, safety first. And the first thing we want to do is shut off the breaker. Okay guys, first thing we need to do is drain this hot tub, and this is our drain area right here. I don't like using this thing. It takes way too long to drain. You can see it's kind of sloped up from this bottom hose over here, so not all the water gets out. Now later on we'll open that up when we start to blow things out, but I like to drain mine with the wet dry vac. I think you can hear that now. That's the water flowing out of the pipe. So what you do is you just get your shop vac going, let it suck in some water, turn it off, pull the hose off, and that happens. Much quicker to drain it that way than it is through the hose. I'm going to let that drain. There's a good look at the suction we've created with the shop vac hose. It's just pulling that water straight out. Okay guys, here's the top view. It's still draining. You can see the water level has gone down quite a bit from the scum level here all the way down. So we're going to let this drain, clean it out real good, blow out all the water from the jets with the vac, and go from there. Okay guys, you can see, even though we have 99% of the water out, there's still water in the system because it's coming out of the pump intake right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our shop vac, we're going to put on blower mode, and we're going to put it over the jets and see if we can make water blow out of here. One thing I forgot to show guys, when you go from suction mode to blower mode, suction mode is here on your shop vac if you haven't ever used one before, and blower mode's up top to where it will blow air out. So that's what I've been using to clean out the jets. One thing you're going to want to make sure you do guys when you're winterizing your hot tub is make sure these gate valves are open. There's one there on mine and there's one here on mine, and just make sure they're lifted up and open. There's really no reason for them of why they should have been closed, but you know, they could have been for whatever reason. I'm going to go ahead and open my drain valve now that we have the water out of it, and I'm going to blow through one more time. I'm also going to remove my unions for the heater and my unions for the pump. Okay guys, it's been about 40 minutes. I had to go play some football with the kids. So one thing about my old Blue Ridge is it has these air controls up top, and these are all connected into all the jets. Allows air into the system to get the bubbles going. So I'm going to take my RV antifreeze and I'm going to pour it in there. And you can see it's starting to come out the jet on this side. And I want to pour this in until I see it come out. Now I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. I'm going to go in the filter holes. I'm going to pour some in there. Hey guys, it's starting to get a little dark out. I apologize, but I'm going to go ahead and loosen here with my pliers and get this disconnected. Let the water come out. But you get the idea. Just loosen up all these connections. You don't want your heater having water in it over the winter. I think that's what ruins them a lot of the time, so you want to make sure you get the water out of it. And I'll go ahead and take the shop vac and blow some air in there once I have the other side off. So now I have access to the pump back here. And I have already taken the filters out top, so I'm going to just blow some air in these and see if I can get those cleared. This is going to be loud. But when I blow through that pump, you could see water's coming out of the pump intake. So one thing I'm going to do is tilt these up a little, if I can, and pour some of this antifreeze in there. I don't know if I can get it in there, but there, I got some in there. And then I'll blow those out again until I see it coming out. Okay, you can see guys, I got some of the RV antifreeze to blow out those bottom two holes there as I was doing that. So I'm gonna keep at it. Hey guys, I know it's getting dark out, but there we go. See all that purple? That antifreeze has come through. So I blew out all those holes underneath, and it's spitting out purple. I think I got enough in the system. I think we're done. Next time, or actually in addition, when I put the cover back on, I'm going to put a tarp over the cover to keep water getting in there if it decides to rain or whatever in the winter on a warm day. We're, you know, Sunday after Thanksgiving right now, so it got to 60 today, but it's been in the 30s regularly, so you know, we're getting ready to get into snow season here in Indiana. So I think we're just going to shut this down and pick it back up maybe early March. And when I do bring it back up in early March, I'm going to take all this and vacuum it out real good. But just in case any water gets in there, we should be good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Like I noted earlier in the video, a funnel would have been a little bit easier to redirect that antifreeze. It would have taken a lot less time probably to get that antifreeze into the proper places to get that winterized. So grab one of your flexible funnels and use that if you're going to do this yourself. That's what I learned from this. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys watching all the videos. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.